Why is an open architecture so important? First of all, is the question who owns the data. I was a VP at a very large retailer, and we used a lot of point solutions. When we wanted to pull the data out of all these point solutions, we couldn't. These were black boxes. So even though they had 5 or 6 or 7 years of data on our business, we had to start literally from a blank sheet. So the first thing with open architecture is that the data is yours as a customer. It is not the data of the vendor. And if you want to use this data for another initiative, you should be able to export it in real time in a very easy fashion. The other aspect is that in almost every enterprise environment, there are existing solutions that you have to integrate with. So no matter what your CRM is, no matter what your CMS is or your ESP is, you want to be able to integrate with these third-party platforms with ease. And when we've designed Dynamic Yield as an open architecture, we design it as engineers that know how painful integrations are, especially in complex environments where you have legacy systems, you have new systems, you have global organizations. We have customers that have different systems for different geos, and how do you make it work? You have to go with the open architecture play. And this is basically from day one at Dynamic Yield, we always said it has to be open architecture, open data sets, and engineering friendly.